Industrial-scale cooking oil production relies on massive infrastructure. These silos hold thousands of tons of seeds, Seed cleaning is an essential step. Removing dust and debris ensures the final cooking oil product meets strict quality and purity standards. By applying precise heat, we maximize the efficiency of the extraction process, causing the trapped oil within the The remaining oil is extracted using a closed-loop solvent system, a critical step in modern cooking oil production.
To remove the undesirable gums, precise amounts of water are injected into the heated oil, causing the impurities to hydrate and separate.
The removal of free fatty acids is crucial. If left untreated, they lower the smoke point and result in
parallel. As the bleaching earth is introduced, its activated surface absorbs the unwanted pigments and impurities.
In the deodorizer, steam bubbles through the oil, removing the final impurities and resulting in a clear, tasteless product.
High-precision volumetric fillers maintain exact fill levels, with sensors ensuring the flow stops the moment the target volume is reached.
As the bottles move rapidly down the line, these sensors perform precise tamper and seal checks, verifying the integrity of every cap.
Once refined, the cooking oil begins its journey. A massive logistical undertaking ensures these essential supplies reach tables worldwide.
The byproduct, known as press cake, is moved along the conveyor system where it is refined and converted into dense, uniform animal feed pellets.
Our versatile production lines allow us to manage co-packing and private label agreements for various brands. All
Here, precision isn't just a goal, it's a requirement. This unwavering consistency is precisely what guarantees.
rebounds. The global demand for cooking oil has surged, making its transport a critical component of international trade.
Behind every bottle of golden oil is a complex journey, from the crushing of the seeds to the final polish.
From raw oilseed to liquid gold, our process mastery ensures only the purest, clearest cooking oil makes it to your table. Our dedicated team follows rigorous hygiene guidelines because when it comes to cooking oil, safety is our top priority. We rarely consider the journey our cooking oil takes, but behind this simple bottle lies a marvel of modern engineering.
Oh, bà finally.
We blend state-of-the-art technology with a commitment to purity, ensuring that every drop meets the highest standards of quality and trust.